happening now. This is on the east bank. Watch. I don't know how I just end up in these things. Watch. A big ship. I could almost touch it. Watch. Right here on the east bank. Yeah. Watch. This is a once in a lifetime scene. At Craig on the east bank. Yeah. This ship. Watch. This big ship run into the bank of the river A. Me know like the last. Huh? I don't know if it's there. Oh, you ask me how it's there. Not saying it's there, of I don't know. They must come here for drop off the way, call it name. Exactly. Yeah. Them man must get some scunt for throw off the ship down here. They're moving. Where they moving and go? This is a once in a lifetime moment. You're never gonna see this again in the next 100 years. Huh? You know, right? Travis stays late. What worries eh? I've never seen this in my life. Hey! Huh? Me know? I said I'm out of the wrong boat to drop off the way. They will call it name. Yeah! When I'm going down, I see them, when I'm coming back, I see them on the right side. Hey, I convinced. Watch. Hey, like that, y'all. I convinced Guyana is not a real place. Hey, I convinced Guyana is not a real country, partner. It's a wonder. Huh? Yeah. But all them little people pass it here, watch. Huh? Me, you know? Yeah. I swear, Guyana is not a real country. Trust me. Happening now along the east bank. Yeah. Watch the sheer madness going on, watch. In Guyana.
Originally meant to be the second doses for those who received the first ones. Speaking during a news press conference in Scarborough's Bagel yesterday.
What's that? Is a ship. That's what it is. A ship. Right and come straight into the river Carn or the road. I watch him see if that man gonna throw off 2 bucks. I could pick it up and carry it to Linden. But that man ain't dropping nothing. Yeah, but they're behind you. But look like they're gone. Too much a guy needs come. Huh? He drive and come in here? Hey, Guyana nice bad. Guyana nice bad. Too much a guy needs come though. They ain't put off nothing. They're gone. It look like they're moving. It's a movie, watch it. Leon, you think it's a movie? It's the real thing the guy down here. It's the real thing the guy down here. And once that the guy needs to come and circle the people ship, the people gone. I never see this madness yet. May God be with us. I just happened to. Now me, it's not navigation you gotta do for carry this still in then.